Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make quilling fish. We'll start by gathering your essential quilling tools, including paper strips, a slotted tool, and some quick-drying glue. Selecting the right paper colors is key to bringing your fish to life, so think about vibrant blues, greens, and oranges. Then, we'll cover the fundamental quilling shapes like tight coils and teardrops, which form the building blocks of your fish design. Let's dive in. Now, let's focus on crafting the main body of your quilling fish. Begin by forming a large, loose coil using your slotted tool. This will be the foundation. Next, gently pinch one side of this coil to create a distinct teardrop shape, which will serve as the fish's head. Remember to secure the end of your paper strip with a tiny dab of craft glue to keep everything in place. Precision here makes a big difference. Hey everyone, if you're finding this quilling fish guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, for those of you who love organized crafting or just easy meal prep, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your supplies or your lunch fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. With the body complete, it's time to add the fins and other decorative details. Craft smaller teardrop shapes for the fins and tail, varying their sizes for a natural look. Carefully attach these fin pieces to the main fish body, using just a small amount of glue to avoid any mess. For the eye, a tiny tight coil or a small eye shape works perfectly. You can also add small coils for scales. These details truly bring your fish to life.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.